Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video to kind of explain today. So I'm going to go to announcements for Friday. We're still going to do about 20 minutes of Lexia, so please make sure you're working on that. That is part of your grade for this class, both participation and then progress, how many units you're getting through. So please work on that. If you need to finish up these reading notes we started, I'll give you a couple minutes to do that, and then we're going to start reading our actual story. This will actually download the story for you, just like that. And then this is audio. It'll just take you to YouTube if you want to listen to the story. There are some questions we're going to answer as we read. Right here. So we will kind of answer these as we go along. So we'll read, stop, answer a question, and just keep going on that pattern. These will also be turned in for a grade. So that's kind of the plan for today. The Zoom links are also in the announcement if you need that. Just let me know if you have any questions.